First, before starting my video, I wanna say something in Hindi because you understand Hindi properly. यदि आप अपनी ज़िंदगी में वास्तव में कुछ करना चाहते हो, यदि आप वास्तव में अपनी फैमिली को अच्छी लाइफ देना चाहते हो और सक्सेसफुल होना चाहते हो, अपने गोल को हासिल करना चाहते हो, तो तुम्हें अपने दिमाग का मास्टर बनना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू बी द मास्टर ऑफ योर माइंड, नॉट इट्स स्लेव. तुम्हें अपने माइंड को कंट्रोल करना होगा, अपने ब्रेन को एग्जैक्टली कौन से ट्रेंड में लाना होगा, एग्जैक्टली तुम्हें फोकस करना होगा अपनी स्टडी पे यदि आप वास्तव अपनी लाइफ को बदलना चाहते हो. एंड यू हैव टू इग्नोर पीपल व्हाट दे से अबाउट यू. Whatever people say you and about you, you have to ignore them every time. और कितनी भी डिफ़िकल्टी आए, प्रॉब्लम आए, but you have to face all the problems and difficulty and you have to overcome. Then only you can change your life, your future. Then only you can be a successful person in the world. So do remember, लोगों को इग्नोर करना सीखो और हालातों से लड़ना सीखो, तभी आप ज़िंदगी में कुछ कर पाओगे. मैं हिंदी में इसलिए बता रहा हूँ क्योंकि आपको हिंदी अच्छे से समझ में आएगी, अच्छे से हिंदी आपको समझ में आएगी. क्योंकि बिकॉज आई आल्सो नो आई लिव इन इंडिया, वी ऑल लिव इन इंडिया, सो मोस्टली पीपल ऑल टाइम स्पीक हिंदी. वी हैव हिंदी इन्वायरमेंट, सो वी स्पीक हिंदी बिकॉज इट्स आवर मदर टंग. सो याद रखना, आप लोगों को इग्नोर करना, रिजेक्ट करना सीखें, हालातों से लड़ना सीखें और आप डिटरमिन्ड हो जाएं, कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाएं अपने लक्ष्य को हासिल करने के लिए और लड़ते रहें. एक ना एक दिन सफलता आपको जरूर मिलेगी. भगवान आपके साथ हमेशा होगा. भगवान उसी की सहायता करता है जो हमेशा स्ट्रगल करता है, जो हमेशा दूसरों को सपोर्ट करता है, ना कि जो दूसरों को लेट डाउन, नीचे दिखाने की कोशिश करता है. सो आई होप यू गॉट माई पॉइंट वट एवर आई टोल्ड यू इन हिंदी. सो नाउ आई वांट स्टार्ट माई video and I wanna tell you some more motivational line in this video. Do remember one thing in your life, if you really wanna be a successful and powerful person, good person in the world, then listen. Do remember 5 things in your life. First, be determined and be confident and never discuss with your parents. Never argument with your teachers. Whatever your parents they say to you, you have to obey them. Whatever your teachers say to you, you have to respect and obey them. And never argument with your parents, otherwise you won't be able to become a good son of your parent. Never discuss with your teacher, argument with your teachers. Otherwise, you won't be able to become a good student in your life. You won't be able to get success in your life. You won't be able to do anything in your life if you argument with your teachers. So do remember. And try to ignore everybody in the world. Whoever wants to let down you, backward you, criticize you, and whoever wants to stop you studying hard and reaching your goal, ignore everybody. And never try to criticize, backbite, let down anyone in the world. Never try to jealous anyone to see the progress of others. Always try to motivate everyone and always try to respect everyone and so respect everybody in the world and always try to obey your parents and give them a real happiness in your life and always try to change your life with time. Because this time is not time, this time is a gift. So never argument with your parents and never argument with your teachers, otherwise you won't be able to successful and a wise person in your life. You won't be able to do anything in your life. If you really want to be a successful and a good person in the world, then you have to respect everybody in the world. You have to show respect everybody in the world. If you really want to get a good education from your teachers, then you have to respect them. And do remember, never argument with your teachers and with your parents. Respect everybody in the world and be kind to yourself. Because when you will kind to yourself, then only you can be kind to others. So if you like my video, Please subscribe and share. And I hope if you understand my English, then you will definitely watch my video from beginning till end. If you watch my video from beginning till end, then you will definitely understand my English. Otherwise, you won't understand my English.